special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:45 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots, and small hail 7 nautical miles southwest of Calumet Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Calumet Harbor around 3:55 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX41 Crystal Lake.